Hello, welcome to Austin. In this video, we'll explain how to use the CapMetro bus system in a few simple steps. The CapMetro system runs throughout the city and will be able to get you almost anywhere you'll need to go. Before we begin, it's important to know how to find the right bus route to reach your destination. An easy way to plan your route is to use the Google Maps app on a smartphone or computer. Start by entering your current location and the address of your destination at the top of the screen. Next, make sure to select the public transport icon to view relevant bus routes. Now you will be able to see the length of each route, the number of the bus you will take, as well as how many minutes you will have to walk to reach your bus stops. You'll most likely want to choose the shortest route. Once you've selected your route, you will be able to see a walking map guiding you to your bus stop, the addresses of your stops, when the next bus will arrive, and how many stops the bus takes along its route. We've chosen the number 4 bus, which is a high-frequency route, meaning it comes every 15 minutes. Some buses will come every 30 minutes, so prepare in advance to know when you must leave. You will also be able to view the cost of the bus fare. Here at Casa Marianela, we offer 1-day, 7-day, and 31-day passes at a half-price discount. These are available to you in the office. Just ask a staff member. Finally, Google Maps will allow you to set a reminder that will alert you when you need to leave. For example, if you want to leave by 1 p.m. on November 2nd, simply set the date and time, and then hit Set Reminder. Or, you can set the time you want to arrive at your destination, and Google Maps will alert you when you need to leave to arrive on time. Again, you would set the date, the time, and hit Set Reminder. Just remember that you will need to allow notifications in the settings on your phone. Now that we've chosen our route, it's time to find our bus stop. Following the walking directions on your map, you will walk to the listed bus stop. While you're waiting, you can use the CapMetro app on a smartphone to track your bus. The CapMetro app is another great way to plan your entire trip. Simply download the app and create an account using your name and an email address. Once you're logged in, you can enter your current location and desired destination, just like before. On this screen, you can also select what day and time you plan to travel to see the most relevant bus routes. When you're ready, hit Search. Again, you will see the bus number, departure times, bus stops, bus IDs, the length of the route, and how much the bus fare is. Once you select a bus route, we're choosing the number 4 bus, you will be able to access walking maps to your bus stops and see the stops all along the route. The app will also let you know how often the buses come by, and you can track where they are on the route. However, be aware that the wait times listed are not always correct, so you'll want to arrive early to give yourself some extra time, and be patient if wait times are longer than normal. Once you arrive, make sure you're at the right stop for the bus by checking the number listed on the sign. When your bus arrives, check the number on the screen to make sure it's correct. If it is, stand and be ready to board. If not, make eye contact with the driver and wait for them to move on. When you board, if it's the first time using your bus card, you will insert it into the box. After that, simply swipe it as you enter, or tap it on the pad near the back of the bus. Stops will be announced over speakers and on this screen, so be watching for yours. When you see your stop, pull the cord that runs along the side of the bus to signal the driver. The number 4 bus will take you to downtown Austin, which is a great place to look for work and enjoy the city you live in. Safe travels!